Hey everybody, it's Mr. Haas here, and today I am excited to start talking about genes. Now, don't you get too excited. I don't know if they're the jeans that you're thinking of. They're not the blue jeans or the ripped jeans that you might wear to school or out to the mall or something, okay? The jeans that we're going to talk about are the instructions that make you look the way that you do. Okay? So first, genes are spelled Genes. Genes, not the ones that you think you know with a J, okay? So when I mention genes to you, we're talking about the genes that are inside of you. All right? So, you ever wonder when you look in the mirror, man, why do my ears shape like this? I ate my nose. I got a big nose, so I'm always like, man, a big old nose. I wonder why I got that. The shape of my mouth, the hair, all those things that make you you come in your genes. Okay? So here's what I want you to think about what genes are. Okay, they're really, really small. You're not gonna see them, even with our microscopes that I have in class. Probably not gonna see them. Genes are really, really tiny. They're found in your DNA. If you cut yourself and you have some blood, you could, really look in that DNA and find some genes. But you would not be able to. You got to be a special scientist with special tools to be able to do that. So what I want you to think about genes as is I want you to think about them as being like instructions. So here I have Lego instructions. And I want you to think of your genes like these. So when you get a Lego kit or K'NEX or something like that, even a toy or something might come with directions on how to build it or put it together. The directions tell you that. So these directions you open up and it tells you, okay, here's the first step, this is da da da. And if you follow the directions correctly, you're going to get exactly what it shows on the front, what it should look like. So that's what genes are. They are your instructions for your body to follow. You have them from the day that you are born, and they tell your body how to make certain cells and certain body parts and where to put them and what color to make them. All right, so again, they're like your Lego pieces here that we have, okay? Each one does something different. So if the instructions say to put two blocks together like this and one here and then another one on top of it, okay, your body builds you the way that the genes tell it to. And it always, always, always follows those instructions. That's why you have two eyes where you do, and they're not way up here on the top of your head like a frog or an alligator. You only have one nose that's in the center, okay? You have your ears on the side, you have one mouth, you have a certain number of teeth. All those things are found in your genes. And the genes tell your body to make it. Now, we do know that not everybody has the same shaped nose, or the same hair color, or the same skin color, or eye color, the same shaped ears. We know that. And the reason for that is because you get your genes from your parents. So your mom gives you half of her genes, your dad gives the other half of those genes. They come together, those genes, and now you have your genes. All right? So that's why a lot of times you look like your birth mother or birth father. Both of them give you exactly half of your genes that make you. Now, not every gene do you actually use. For example, Mrs. Haas and I just had a baby boy. Okay? I have blue eyes. Mrs. Haas has brown eyes. My young son now has blue eyes. So, what that means is Mrs. Haas had the genes for blue eyes. However, she just didn't show it. She has brown eyes. But she still had the directions to make blue eyes. So that when we had our son and he got genes from mom and dad, okay, he got the directions for the blue eyes and now he has blue eyes. So that's how genes work. So as we move through this unit, you're going to learn a lot about genes. You're going to learn about the traits that they create, and you're going to learn where they come from a little bit more in detail than I just talked about. So those are genes. They are your instructions. So that's what I want you to think about. Genes are the instruction manual on how to build you. So the reason you look the way you do is because of the genes that you have that you got from your birth mother and your birth father. Okay? Those are your genes. Have a great day.